Hello everyone, I just want to do a quick video on Caspa. The price action has been incredible for the last few days. Caspa has been breaking new levels. Last night I believe it reached 0.237 cents, so amazing new price action driven by all the news right about Caspa being listed in new exchanges. So just want to do that quick video. Let's get into it. Okay, and the price action that we've seen in Caspa in the last few days has been amazing. Actually, the last month has been pretty amazing. We were here a few days. We were in what? Not even 1 cent, right? And now we are at 2.3 cents. Last night it reached 2.37, I believe. And we are. It seems like we're still going back up. There were some, quite a few articles and news for Caspa, and I just today I wanna review some of those and give you an idea what I'm gonna be doing next. But pretty much you can trade Caspa now on TechSpeed, which we've been doing that. Trade Ogre, MEXC, Gate.io, and CoinX. So these were just added recently. So that took the price to this new level. See, you can see Hotbit. It got listed on Hotbit.io here. Was March yesterday. We also got, what is it? DG Finex, March 24. Let's keep seeing here. Caspa, and it's live on March 21st. Was live on Gate.io. So amazing news for Caspa. If you see the price, let's go to, this is MEXC Global. Yeah, last night it reached 0.37 cents. And it still seems like it wants to go and break that again. We'll see. We gotta see what at the end of the day what happens with this new development here. But if you look at the chart, let's take a look at the chart. Is this a good place to buy or to exit? I got Caspa last year. I started mining Caspa last year. So let's see my wallet here. Got a good amount of Caspa from the mining. You can see I've been mining in Woolly Puri, and I've been getting this 100 Caspa. That's the minimum payout every day. I'm about 367,721 Caspa. So I've been accumulating since the beginning here, since last year. But now I want to take a look at this chart and see what I'm gonna be doing next. I'm gonna be using these trend-based Fibonacci extensions just to get a feel from where can we go from here. If you see, that's the first wave. I assume that's the first wave. Then a pullback for second wave, and then third wave I believe was reach out here at 1.6 ratio, 1.6 here, and then I can consider that to be the end of the wave 3. If I do extension to that point, then to the retracement, let's see there, we can see that wave 5 could potentially be reach out here at 0.3, actually 3 cents, 3.1 cents here. But we still need to wait. It could be like this could be the wave 3, and that was the wave 4. It's common to see a wave 5 being the same size of wave 1, or it could be 1.6 from wave 1 to wave 3. So if this is wave 1 we started and this is wave 3, that's the retracement. That's 1.6 of those two. So that could be a good point to end up being the end of wave 5. So I gotta wait for this to finish. This could go up here, and then starts the retracement, right? So what do you do now, right? So well, if you started early here, probably now after this wave finishes, it's a good point to maybe I'm gonna probably sell 25% the position and then maybe re-entry on the pullback here. But it's difficult to time all this, so That could be one play, right? To sell some percentage and then maybe re-entry later on. Now, in terms of retracement, let's take a look at what we can expect from a retracement. Let's see, Fibonacci retracement for that point to, let's say we reach that point. So we're gonna have to wait, or if it's today, even if it's today, right? Let's assume it's today, a 0.23, the first level of retracement, 0.33, that will be at 1.8 cents. 1.8 cents will be one of the retracements. If we break that, we'll go to the second level, which is a 0.382. That will be 0.15. And we keep going. 50% is between 50 and 61 is common, so it could be in that area. But that will be a good point to a re-entry point, where I think if you are trading. In my case, I'm accumulating Caspa. I do believe in the project. I think it has tons of potential. We are so early in the game. I keep mining Caspa. I'm allocating three rigs. I have these 3070s allocated. They're making 3.69 gigahash, and then I have a bunch of NVIDIA cards. They are 3.6, and then I have these. These are, I believe, these are AMD 6600 XT. They're making 2.1. These are 6 of those, 2.1 gigahash. So a total for 9.5. Let's take a look at what Woolly Pooley here. Revenue as of today with these prices. You can see if we take the accurate, because one of the rigs was down last night. So if I take the last 60 minutes, right? 12 Caspa. If I do 12 Caspa, let's do that. 12.089 times 24. That's a day. Times 30. That's a month. That's 8,704 Caspa at current levels, right? And the price we're saying, is 22. That's $191 dollars per month, and then we gotta deduct electricity cost. So, but I do believe on the project. I think it's an amazing technology. I think Caspa, we're just in the beginning. If you look at like early Bitcoin adoption, this is it took 2 years to reach $1. But Caspa has, I believe it has like 2 billion emissions versus Bitcoin 21 million, right? Totally different game. I also want to see how Caspa is doing on this numbers of searches. So if we go to Google Trends, this is interest over time, right? Caspa worldwide here, the past 12 months. So I want to see when it reaches these peaks, right? So it reached a peak here in September 2022, that week between September 18 and 24, and then it reached here another one, let's say November 27, December 3rd. So let's take a look at compare those two. This is available. What are we using? Caspa CoinEx. Okay, this is what I use for my charts. Let's see. Let's do the 1 day. All right. So last time Caspa reached a new high was in November 27. So let's see here. That's November 27. Yeah, that's exactly when the interest over time, right? And then before that was September. So if we have data, let's see if we have data. We don't have much data there. Let's see if I use Mexi. Does it have? It has some more data. All right. So September. Look, the previous high, September. So we got. Let's put this here in context so we don't forget. That's a circle. So that's one. That's one. September last year. This another one. September here. Grab it there. That's a November last year. And now let's see what's going on. So that's September. That's November 27 last year. It was a recent peak in March, between February 26 and March 4. And now see the trend is going. So it seems that people keep searching for Caspa, and it keeps going. See, it keeps the trend hasn't the Google hasn't finished processing all this, but worldwide, you can see Caspa is still a topic of interest. Caspa hash rate, Caspa Woolly Pooley, wallet, coin market, Ethereum mining pool. So people still searching for Caspa. This is recent new development, right? So we'll see over time, but it keeps pointing that it's gonna keep going up. So that's another good piece of information that we have right now. If I do decide to sell tonight, I'm gonna go here and probably gonna use, it's in terms of volume, you can see MEXC has 10 million in terms of volume per day. So I'm gonna use MEXC. In the past, in the early days, I used TXBit, so now if I do decide to sell, I'm gonna just go here, MEXC, use the wallet overview here. And let's see now if we can deposit. You go here, deposit, and let's search for Caspa now. It should be there available. Caspa, there it is. So you can deposit Caspa, you generate the address here, and then you go to your wallet. You go to your wallet, and then what you do is you send Caspa here, you type that address, and then once you send your Caspa, which is pretty fast, you transfer your deposit there. You can trade it now on spot here, on spot trading, and you can do limit orders, on market orders. So that's the way I'll be doing. So that's pretty much it. This is just an update on the Caspa price and the price action. I think it's amazing. We've been mining. This is good news for also for GPU miners. I mean, the way Caspa is behaving, and I think the project's gonna keep growing. Let me know if you have any questions, or let me know your comments about Caspa and what your plans are. Hope you guys enjoyed the short video. Thank you so much, and see you in the next one.